So, October to November 2023 ang airdrop claim. So, kailangan matapos na natin hanggang September yung mga quest. Don't forget to join my road to 10,000 subscribers here in my YouTube channel and of course sa aking Facebook page as well. Marami akong exciting, more upcoming prizes. And huwag natin patagalin pa. Pag-usapan na natin ito in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go, guys! Hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Madge and for today's video, meron ako sa inyo bagong i-share na airdrop, guys. So actually malapit na yung launch of claiming ng airdrop dito kay OrbitPad. So dapat magawa na natin yung mga task here, guys. So si OrbitPad is your launch pad to success. So ito yung mga multi-chain platform, ZK Sync. Actually ZK Sync era yung kailangan yung network to connect, guys. So raise funds publicly. Ayan. So dito naman yung mga nila, guys. But we will see the roadmap and their tokenomics nila, guys. So may staking din sila powered by Layer 0 and multi-chain support. So Orbit token. So meron silang pa-airdrop, guys. So make sure na magawa nyo yung mga kailangan gawin kasi malapit na yung launch or claiming ng airdrop nila. So coming soon pa yung other nila, guys, yung staking and other projects. So I think September pa. So you can naman browse their documents. So ang mahalaga dito is makita natin yung kanilang ito roadmap. So sa August to September, as you can see, and staking, ito yung mga ilo-launch nila, launchpad launch. Then October to November, yan nga possible airdrop claim. So possible early October or early November. So kailangan before October is matapos na, guys. Exchange listing. So ayan, hanggang December 2023 full launch na nung kanilang project, guys, or yung kanilang launchpad. So, ayan, tokenomics naman. So, let's check their tokenomics. So, 30% for the community airdrop. And then, team token, 10%. Platform staking, 20%. Exchange listing, 20%. Sales token, 15%. Partnership, 5%, guys. So, you can browse lang. You can check their documents, guys. So, now, I'll put sila sa description box down below yung link, guys, or you can message me sa aking page para at least ma-invite ko kayo directly sa inyong email kasi may dalawang option, either you click the link or I can invite you, guys. So ZK Sync yung network. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, kapag new airdrop, kadalasan dapat at new wallet din ang gagamitin nyo. Don't use your main wallet dahil of course para to be secure and to be safe na din for you, guys. So ayan, may pointing system and leaderboard sila, guys. So pang 1,600 tayo sa leaderboard. So 0 referrals, and then ayan, may quest 1, quest 2, quest 3 and up to quest 4, guys. So sa mga ganito kadalasan naman ng mga quest nila or mga missions is followed sa Twitter or Discord, guys. So, pero may mint sila dito, guys. I think itong mint nila is not for free. You need to pay the gas fee, guys. So, again, sa referral, ay sabi ko nga sa inyo, either click the referral link or I can send the link directly to your email, guys. So, here, sa quest 2 yan, plus 100 referral points kung yung ni-refer nyo is magawa yung mga required tasks. So, kailangan mo naman ito, like yan yung quest 1, quest 3, and quest 4, I guess. Yan, kailangan yan. Hindi ko alam kung pwede na yung quest 1 and quest 4, so let's try muna natin. Iyaan ako sa aking friend and check ko kung sabi ko gawin niya muna yung quest 1 and quest 4, and then I'll update you na lang, guys, once na pwede naman siya. At least, di ba, may plus 100 na kayo, if ever. Basta meron na siyang Twitter, Discord, and of course, kailangan mag-retweet. So, yan naman yung kadalasan. And successful na nasend ko na sa kanyang email. Kapag wala pa naman sila, kung hindi pa yung email na yun is nasisendan, sasabihin ngayon is failed or parang meron na. So, kailangan i-authorize nyo. Once na ipa-follow nyo, kailangan ililink nyo something like that. And then, click follow para magkaroon kayo ng 100 points. And then, of course, click the notification nila para at least updated kayo sa kanilang mga announcement kung kailan ba mismo. Kasi October to November, diba? So, we never know kung pwedeng middle of October, end of October, or first week of November, or last week of November. We never know. So, kaya kailangan, kayo, updated kayo. Even sa kanilang Discord. Kadalasan naman, their announcement nasa Discord and Twitter nila sinesend yan. Kaya dapat naka-on yung notification nyo sa kanilang social media networks para at least updated kayo sa kanilang mga announcements, guys. So, ayan, you need to authorize and of course, connected na tayo. Kailangan nyo lang mag-join. So, pag mag-join kayo, kailangan nyo i-verify your Discord. Hindi yung pag nakita nyo is na-accept nyo na yung invite, hindi pa yan tapos. So, kailangan nyo muna i-verify, guys. But of course, ito yung mga simpleng task lang yan, guys. Pero kasi, di ba, may mga minting, kadalasan, di ba? So, hindi naman lahat. But, of course, yung mga ganito, isa na, is bullish, and of course, maganda yung bigayan ng airdrop. Like, yung nangyari kay Say Network. Ang daming missions, ang daming tasks, but, ending, yung iba is konti lang, yung nakuha. I think it really depends din yun sa pag-bridging nila. Kasi parang may nakalagay doon, nabasa ako, diba may 4 na pwede kang makuha. I think kung magkano i-bridge mo. So, kapag malaking binridge mo, malaki makukuha mo. Something like that. So, yun yung ko. Parang pagkakaintindi ko. So, now, ayan, sa points, ayan, we have 300. Magkakaroon pa tayo ng additional na tag 100 kapag niretweet natin sa quest 4. But here, kapag nag-mint kayo, 1,000 points na makukuha nyo. So, I don't know kung once yan or twice. Check natin sa leaderboard kung sino pinaka mataas na points. So, ayun guys, early access. Meron silang NFT, yung pag-mint nga yan, guys. So, i-retweet muna natin yan. So, 2 retweet yan para magkaroon tayo ng 500 points, guys. So, yun yung for free. But, I know pag ganyan kasi Ziki Sync era, you need to pay the gas fee. Yes. So, wala po, dahil bagong ko to, wallet. So, kailangan ko yun, sabi ko sa inyo, hindi po pwede pa. So, kailangan ko ng funds. So, lalagyan ko muna ng funds, then I'll update you sa aking mga susunod na video regarding OrbitPad airdrop. So, ayan, check naman natin yung at the leaderboard. So, 16,000, oh my god. Ang laas, either marami siyang invite kasi plus 100, diba? So, kailangan ganun. So, kailangan din plus bonus yan yung pinaka, is 1,600, 1,000 plus, so 1,500 plus meron siguro siyang invite na 100. O, diba? So, kaya nag 1,600 yung nasa top 10 ba yun? Top 10 ba? So, again, galagay ako. Mag-invite pa ako ulit ng mga friends ko, guys, para check natin. But, of course, if you want to try this one, ayan, i-ending na. At least, magkaroon kayo ng points, makasali tayo. October na yung release of airdrop, claiming airdrop. Kaya, konting oras na lang or konting panahon na lang. Kaya, dapat gawin nyo na kung gusto nyong gawin si OrbitPad airdrop. So, I'll update you na lang, guys, once na meron akong bagong update regarding, kasi may mga staking pa, so I think kailangan yan, an ecosystem nila and projects. So, until next time, guys, goodbye!